Woman caught on camera coughing on a police officer, claiming she's sick with COVID-19. News 4's Cassandra Sweetman is in Ponca City with the video.
Officers here saying even if a person is not sick, they're going to take actions like this seriously.
It's this threat of we're spreading this highly contagious virus.
Ponca City officers stunned by an act many would consider unthinkable. A woman purposely coughing and sneezing in retaliation for social distancing efforts. Police were called to Cecilia Flores' home while she was allegedly drunk.
There was an intoxicated female that was trying to get in a vehicle and leave.
After that issue was resolved, officers went to leave and Flores tried to shake their hand.
Okay.
I appreciate you, sir.
I'm not shaking your hand.
Well, you ain't got to.
When he tried to explain, she interrupted him.
I don't know if you're aware, but there's this coronavirus going around. You got to be kidding me.
I got it. What's up?
The officers momentarily rendered speechless.
So do you actually have a positive diagnosis of COVID-19?
No, I haven't, sir.
Do you believe you have it? That's what you told him earlier.
No, I don't.
After conferring with supervisors, they arrested Flores. She was charged with terroristic hoax.
It was an unfortunate incident, but it needed to be addressed.